This video is not only interesting, but we also invite you to touch a number of small animals and their lives. Today we present to you a movie of the lives of small animals that you rarely encounter. The location of each scene is in some flower pots on the terrace of the house. First, in this movie about the lives of small animals, we see aphids on a flower. This is their place. On this flower, we find several groups with the same life. Aphids secrete a waste substance in the form of honey from their stomachs. They get this substance from young stems or healthy flowers. Ants get their food from this process. So the ants will protect the aphids as their food source. After that, we crossed the tree and a puddle in the flower pot and continued our search. Life across from him, on the palm tree, saw a number of ants preparing a nest from the ground. The nest they made was between the fronds of the palm tree. Life as before, the reciprocal relationship between ants and aphids is also seen here. On the shoots and flowers of the princess earring tree. Next we passed a few more trees, following the roots and trunks of the trees, and we found the fruit of the communing tree. On the other hand, we walked along the leaves of the flowers and found something here. Yes, this is a fruit fly. The color of this fly is different from flies in general. The color is very striking yellow. Seems to be resting from its daily activities. Passing by the puddle again, we saw the dry flower branches due to the summer heat. We found one seed that was germinating. This is the seed of the Telung ternate flower, or Clitoria ternatia. This flower is the most popular of all species in the Clitoria genus. We saw a group of thrift children. They seemed to be basking on the leaves to nourish their bodies. Here, we also saw berry-like fruit. This is the fruit of wild plants. Here, we had another encounter with aphids. As usual, they place their eggs near the flower stalks. They will be guarded by ants in return, the ants getting the honey substance they secrete after sucking it from the flowers or young stems. Continuing to look for small life around, we looked at the branches of the water guava tree, along the dry leaves, and the roots of the tree. We found something here, a shell moving. It turned out to be a cone snail. It looks like it's looking for shelter. We again saw aphids and ants. This is the life activity of two animals that coexist comfortably and peacefully. We also found something unique, a small centipede-like animal. It lived alone, seemingly looking for its mother. It was white and light yellow on the head and tail. There were more aphids and ants on the princess earrings. These little life forms seem to make the flowers and branches their most comfortable place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be notified of the latest video posts about the lives of small animals. Thank you. We also spotted a thrips protecting its adult offspring. The way they carry their family. We traveled through a forest of mosses. They seem to be drying up and dying off due to the effects of the sun's heat at this time. In the last part of the journey, we still met the ants and aphids one last time. That was our short movie journey about the lives of some small animals around our lives as humans. Hopefully our movie will benefit those of you who watch it.